In the cooler today, folks, we are making chicken veggie medley. Check it out.
What's up, folks? This is Derek. Welcome back to the cooler. Today, I'm gonna make something on the whim. I got chicken thighs, I got chicken legs, I got chicken wings, I got broccoli, and I got a little squash. And I'm gonna put the chicken on the Traeger for about an hour, 2 hours, give or take, till it's almost done. Then I'm gonna combine the broccoli and the squash and some yellow onion in with the chicken in a pan. Gonna cover it up, put it back on the Traeger, and let them all simmer together. That's with the juices from the chicken, with the squash, with the salt and pepper and garlic on all the vegetables, and let them simmer together. And that's the dish we're gonna make today. So let's go. First, you know what we gotta do in the cooler? We gotta wash that chicken. Wash that meat, folks. I don't care what nobody says. You gotta wash your meat. Also in the cooler, I don't usually cook the thyme. I can't tell you how much seasoning to put on there because it's up to your palate. If you like it salty, make it salty. If you like it spicy, make it spicy. Add some pepper to it. If you don't know what you want, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna show you the season I'm gonna use to garlic, pepper combined. You know, just put enough, and then later on, you can always add more after it's done, you know, to your taste. But I hate to go to the restaurant and the restaurant don't have any flavor. No seasoning. Come on, man. Flavor your food, people. Flavor your food. The chicken's still a little frosty, still a little frozen a little bit. And that's why you need to wash your chicken, man. You need to look at it, inspect it, see what needs to come off there, especially with these wings, feathers. I won't let the water get a tad. Chicken frozen a little bit. Yeah, so when you're washing this chicken, man, make sure we clean it real good and check for feathers and all that kind of stuff. Nobody wants to eat a feather. Today for seasonings, I'm going to use this Kinder's salt, black pepper, garlic. I've grown pretty fond of it, and I'm just going to season them in this pan that I just washed this chicken in. Folks, don't season to my recipe, right? Season to what you like. If you like flavorful, if you want to use a different one, there's no rules to cooking. I used to ask my mom all the time, Mom, how do I know how long do I cook it for? The only thing she would tell me is till it's done, no matter what it was. Like, Mom, you got kind of like an idea, till it's done, which is a good way to do it because she don't want to tell you wrong, and then you cook it too long or you don't cook it long enough, and you're just cooking the time. And it could be based on where you're at. 350 is 350, but 350 may cook different where you at. Just saying. See, found some more feathers. Hey guys, please, see this wing? Got to do one or two things. You got to cut this off, or fold it. It will cook even just like that. If you're not going to eat it, cut it off. If you want it, fold it. Do that to all the wings. Fold it. Even this fat wing. See that? Fold it like a little package. A little package. Some more seasoning on here. Thighs, legs, wings, folks. All going in this dish. Oh, I see you. Try to hide. I've got my Traeger right now preheating at 350 degrees. And we're going to put it on there and we're going to let it roll. After I get the chicken on, then I'm going to cut up my vegetables. Put them on the Traeger for a little while, let them get some smoke as well. And I'll be right back. Quick question for you guys. Are you, when you're cooking on the grill or in the kitchen, are you a tongs person or are you a fork person? Sometimes I'm tongs, sometimes I'm fork. Most of the time I'm tongs. Let's go out there and see what the Traeger's doing. Oh, my Traeger's over there putting smoke in there. I'm gonna put some chicken on there so they can get some of that smoke. Woo! And I'm definitely going to hit some of this chicken with some more seasoning. It was tough seasoning it in this bowl. So I will put some more seasoning on there. As you can see, I try to put all pieces together. Y'all see that smoke? Wings with wings. Drums with drums. Oh, that drum is dirty. Look how dirty that drum is. Feathers on there. Oh, wow. Excuse the mess. I thought I got all the feathers. Look at all those feathers on that leg. They didn't even pluck that. They didn't even pluck that chicken right there. Look at all the feathers on there. That's a terrible bite right there. There you go, folks. All clean. I usually don't flip this early, but it's rolling pretty good. Might give it a couple of flips. Definitely not ready to be flipped. Usually wouldn't flip this early, but doing a video showing y'all what some good chicken might look like. Good lines. Won't flip again for a while. Vegetables chopped. This is the bed for the chicken. So once the chicken comes out, I throw the chicken on top of these vegetables, aluminum foil the top, and then let them simmer in each other's juices. I'll let these ride a little bit longer. Just got flipped. They looking good, especially those two right there. Move them. It's a little bit hot up here, so these are cooking faster than other ones. Move them back to where it's slower. Oh yeah. All right, folks, as you can see, I've got my broccoli, I've got my squash, I've got my onions. I added water because I wasn't going to do chicken broth, but I have to do water instead. And then I'm just going to put the chicken on top of my veggies. Let them stew together in juices. Got to leave a couple thighs out for Carson because he was like, oh, I don't want my chicken to touch the vegetables. I'm like, oh, get out of here, man. So she's going to give it more flavor. But that's another story. That's kids. Kids will be kids. How many you think you need? 2 or 3? 2. As you can see, folks, then I'm aluminum foil the top of this. Shut it in. In about 30 minutes, I'm going to check it again to see if everything is starting to mold and gel together. I might add a little bit more water, a little bit more salt and pepper, and then we're going to plate it and eat dinner. Stay tuned. Okay, folks. All said and done. And what you could do is you could put this over a bed of rice, or you could eat it regular. Let's see. Ooh, you see it. Chicken. Trying to eat a little healthy. Squash. Onion, because I love onions, grilled onions. Got a wings, you want a little snack. Are you beautiful? Broccoli, tender, falling apart. Mmm. Hot. You get the salt, you got that pepper, and you got that garlic. Kinder's always does it. The chicken, see? First on the gristle, you got that smoke flavor. You got falling straight off the bone, skin. We'll say that. Okay, okay. Don't save it for later. Okay, come on with me then. Ooh, trying to get too much chicken, see? Got that. Grab a little onion out of there. Trying not to smash anything. I'm gonna burn my mouth for y'all because, also because it's gonna be delicious, but I want you guys to see. I grill from the chicken, smoke, grill flavor, super tender with the aluminum foil, juicy. Woo! That's good. Like, comment, subscribe. Vic's Cooler Chicken with another great recipe. All the chicken you got left in your refrigerator. Broccoli, squash. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. Squash. Squash. Still hot. Squash. Get that little sweetness. Super tender. Get you some of that chicken. Look at that chicken in there. How easy it just comes apart. Look at that chicken. That chicken done.